Welcome to the Totally Honest Cooking Show. I'm Mark. Today we're doing breakfast quesadillas. Now you're going to want to start by grating your own cheddar cheese and slicing some green onions. After that, this is super easy. I went out of town this weekend. I didn't have time to put together an episode, so this is just a quick breakfast, a Brenner thing, whatever you want it to be. We're going to start with a can of diced tomatoes with lime juice and cilantro. We're going to drain the water off. You can do this over the sink if you're not hosting a show. And once stuff starts falling out, you know you're ready. Okay, come over here. I got 2 eggs. 1, 2, take your fork, whisking motion. You know how to do this, right? You've been making eggs for a while. Or maybe you haven't. If that's the case, welcome. I hope I can teach you a thing or two. Whatever. But for most of you, this should be an easy one. Cut to rinse my fingers. I hate eggy fingers. Okay, now my skillet's getting nice and hot over here. We're gonna throw our eggs down. Then we're gonna take a spatula, move it around, let the eggs curdle, or let the eggs make curds rather, not curdle, it's not milk. You could add milk to this, by the way. I'm not gonna. Add as much of the tomatoes as you want. And kill the heat because it's already plenty hot. You can see it's already steaming up. Normally this is where I'd turn the fan on. Fan's still broken from last week's episode. Draw your own conclusions. I'm turning the heat up over here. Now, I like to begin construction over here. Take some of my freshly grated cheddar. Just put it all over my tortilla. Right? Easy enough. Then we're gonna drop it right in the middle. That's gonna cook away. We're gonna pick up our egg. You should probably get some of that tomato too. If you put too many tomatoes in, this is where you can course correct. Just grab the eggs and the tomatoes attached to them, right? Now we're gonna fold her over. You will lose stuff out the sides, especially if you got a smaller tortilla like this. And that's fine too. I like to treat the stuff that fell out the edge almost like a separate meal. Flip it as many times as you need to cook it without overdoing it on either side. But in no time at all, you'll have a beautiful quesadilla looking thing. There we go. I recommend serving this up with hot sauce, with hash browns. You know, breakfast stuff. Pretty good. Pretty quick. Get you loaded up so you can get on the road. Okay, like, subscribe, click that little bell, and I'll see you next Wednesday. Sorry for the quickie, but, you know, family business calls. Bye.